Alright guys, in this video we are going to talk about and or not operators. What are these operators? Sometimes you need to add more than one condition and you have to use from these operators. Let's write MySQL minus h localhost minus u root and minus b. Now let's access our database, use example. Now we are inside our database. Let's see what we have inside our database. Select all the things from customer table and shows to me we have 4 data: apple, orange, banana, mango. Now let's know about and. How? I want to make it like this, but where you can add condition where customer ID should be 1, and with and you can add more than one condition. Okay, and shows the record when all the conditions are true. Look, the first condition is true because we have customer ID with 1. Okay, and let's write customer name equal to John. Okay, we don't have customer name with John. Now let's see. Look, we don't have anything because the first condition is correct, but the second condition isn't correct and it doesn't show anything because we don't have data like this. If I write it like this, customer name equal to apple, look, it shows because both conditions are correct. We have customer ID 1 and we have customer name with apple, like this. Now let's know about our operation. I want to add condition where customer ID should be 2, okay? Or with or you can display records if any conditions are true. I want to write customer name equal to John. We have customer ID equal to 2, but we don't have customer name with John. But customer ID 2 is correct and it shows to us orange because one of these conditions are true and it shows to us. Now let's know about not operators. Okay, sorry about it, I have tried it like this. I wanna see all the data without banana. How can I make it? I can use not operators. Not operators display all the records without that conditions that you make it. Look like this. Select all the data from my customer table, customer where customer ID where not. Look, you have to write it not before that condition. Not customer ID equal to 3. Now it shows all the things without banana because I say that show me all the things without that data. It's as customer ID 3.